I'm Gianna.
And I'm Maya. Today we're going to show you how to make Christmas-themed cake pops.
First, you're going to need goodie bags, ribbon, Christmas-themed sprinkles, chocolate chips, a styrofoam board, pre-made cake balls, a measuring cup, and lollipop sticks.
First, you're going to start off by microwaving 1 cup of chocolate chips. Microwave the chocolate for 30-second intervals until fully melted.
While you wait, you can start by assembling the cake pops. You can do this by taking a cake ball and attaching it to a lollipop stick. Then, you're going to take the cake pop and dip it into the bowl of melted chocolate.
Next, you're going to pour some Christmas sprinkles on top of the cake pop.
Finally, you're going to stick each cake pop into your styrofoam tray and place the tray in the fridge until the chocolate hardens. When you take the cake pops out, you can then individually put them into the goodie bags, sealing the bag off with a bow.